Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Today I am going to discuss JEE Mains September 2020 questions in probability. See the first question, what they are given. The probability that a randomly chosen 5-digit number is made from exactly 2 digits. We know that how many single digits are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on 9. There are totally 10 digits are there. So we need 5-digit number. See, so 5-digit number given. Repetition without repetition and they didn't mention. So no. But in 10,000 place 0 cannot be filled. It can be filled remaining 9 digits. But remaining 4 places can be filled 10 digits. The repetition is allowed. Each place can be possible 10 digits. 10 into 10 into 10, 10 power 4. Finally, n of s is equal to 9 into 10 power 4. Now n of e be the event of chosen 5-digit number is made from exactly 2 digits. Here 0 is said, that is a problem. So first I am going to discuss non-zero digits. Non-zero digits. And one non-zero, another one is 0. One non-zero, other 0. These are the two cases. Now n of e is equal to, see here, non-zero numbers. So 0 to 9 there are 10 numbers. Out of 10, 1 to 9 these are non-zero. Exactly 2 digits we want to use. Out of 9 can be select 2. But we want to form 5-digit number. 5-digit number means we know that 5 places. Each place is possible 2 digits, 2 into 2 into 2. That means we get 2 power 5. But all 5 places cannot fill 2. Why I am written 2? I am selected for suppose those digits are 2, 3. So all 2's cannot be possible. All 3's cannot be possible. Each and every number we can fill with 2 digits. 2 digits, not 1 digit. So 2 to 2, here only 1 digit, 3 3 3, here 1 digit. Out of 2 power 5, those two 5-digit numbers can be subtracted. Students, are you understood? Plus second case, one non-zero digits. Non-zero digits, there are 9. Out of 9 can be select 1. Remaining 1 0 digit. It is possible one way. Okay. Now we want to form 5-digit number. 5-digit number. Here 10,000 place can be filled, only 1. 0 cannot be filled. Okay. Remaining places, each place can be filled 2 ways. For suppose the numbers I am selected 2, 0. So 2 ways, here also 2 ways. That is 2 power 4. But all the digits cannot be filled with 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 digits. This cannot be exist. Those digits can be subtracted. Those 5-digit number can be subtracted. Okay, this is n of e. Calculate this. 9c2 means 9 into 8 by 1 into 2. 2 fours are 8. So we get 9 into 4. 2 power 5. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 twos are 16. 16 twos are 32. 32 minus 2. 30 plus 979. 2 power 4. 16. 16 minus 1. 15. Here, take the common. 9 into 15. Remaining is 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1. This is finally 9 into 15 into 9. Okay. Now, required probability. Required probability P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. 9 into 15 into 9 by 15 into 9 by 9 into 10 power 4. 9 9 cancel. 15 9s are 135 divided by 10 power 4. 10 power 4. Which option correct? Third option correct. Students, I am going to second question. Till now, who are not subscribed my channel, subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends and click on bell icon. So whenever I will upload, you will get first notification. Okay. Here see that E1, E2, E3B, any pairwise independent events. That meaning is P of E1 intersection E2, that is equal to pairwise independent events, means these are the conditions. Okay. And P of E1 intersection E2 intersection E3 is equal to 0 given. We need to find E2 complement intersection E3 complement divided by E1 by using conditional probability. How to write this is P of E1 intersection E2 complement intersection E3 complement divided by P of E1. Here, draw the diagram. First, total sample space. Next, this is one event. This is another event. And the third one, you can draw like this because this intersection point is 0. So we can draw like this. Okay. This is E1, E2, this is E3 because E1 intersection, E2 intersection, E3 is equal to 0 given. But see the question, E1 intersection, E2 complement intersection, E3 complement. Here, small change. This is E3, this is E1, E1. E1 intersection, E2 complement intersection, E3 complement means we can take this part. But here, A intersection, B intersection, C, this part is null set. This is we want to eliminate. Okay. So, numerator out of P of E1, we can subtract this part and this part. Okay, these two parts minus what is first part? E1 intersection E2. Second part, E2 intersection, sorry, E1 intersection E3 plus add E1 intersection E2 intersection E3 divided by P of E1. Students, all of you understood? E1 intersection E2 complement intersection E3 complement, which is not connected with E2 and E3, those part we can take. Okay. Now numerator see here, P of E1 minus P of E1, P of E2 minus P of E1, P of E3, because pairwise independent events now, plus 0 divided by P of E1. Numerator, see that each and every term having P of E1, take common and cancel it, remaining 1 minus P of E2 minus P of E3. So by observing the options I am calculating here, 1 minus P of E3, P of E3 complement minus P of E2, or we can write P of E2 complement minus P of E3, both are correct. But observe the option, first option is correct, only this value given. Students, are you understood? Observe the Venn diagram, and this step is important. If you understood this step, remaining is very easy. Okay. See the third question. This is a Bayes theorem related problem. Box B1 contains 30 cards. Those are 1 to 30. Box 2 contains 20 cards, numbered 31 to 50. A box is selected at random and a card is drawn from it. The number on the card is found to be a non-prime number. The probability that the card was drawn from box 1. Here, two boxes are there. What is the probability of selecting first box, B1? 1 by 2. Same as probability of selecting second box, B2. That is also 1 by 2. Here, what is the event means? E with the event of non-prime number. Non-prime number. Okay. Now, probability of selecting non-prime number in box B1. In box B1, how many numbers are there? 1 to 30. 30 numbers are there. Here already written prime numbers 1 to 30. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 prime numbers are there. Out of 30, subtract 10, remaining 20 are non-prime numbers only. So here 20 by 30. Okay. Now probability of selecting non-prime number in box 2. Box 2, how many numbers are there? 31 to 50. That means 20 are there. Out of 20, these are prime numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Subtract 5. Remaining 15 are non-prime numbers. 15 by total 20. Okay. Now we want to select one number that is non-prime number. It came from box 1. So probability of B1 by E we need to find. By using Bayes theorem, I am writing P of B1 into P of E by B1 divided by total P of B1, P of E by B1 plus P of B2, P of E by B2. Those values substitute here. 1 by 2 into P of E by B1. 20 by 30. I am writing 2 by 3 because 0, 0 cancel now. 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 plus P of B2 1 by 2. P of E by B2. Here observe that. 5 3s are 5 4s are. This is 3 by 4. And denominator, observe that 1 by 2 is common. Take common and cancel it. Remaining, what is the numerator? 2 by 3. Denominator 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. So denominator, take LCM, that is 12. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 4 is going to numerator. 8 by 17 is the answer. Which option correct, students? First option. Here, remember it. They are asking non-prime numbers. Out of 1 to 50, how many primes are there? We need to identify. So out of those, subtract prime numbers. Remaining are non-prime numbers only. In first box, 20 non-prime number. Second box, 15 non-prime number. Okay, I think all of you understood now. This is fourth question. This is a two persons playing game. In a game, two players A and B take turns in throwing a pair of fair dice, starting with player A, and total score means sum of the numbers on the two dice. Each throw is noted. A wins the game if he throws a total score 6. B throws a total of 7. B wins the game if he throws a total of 7 before A throws a total of 6. So here, probability of success and failure, observe here. Probability of sum of 6 points. 6 points means how we get sum 6 points? 1 5, 2 4, 3 3, next 4 2, 5 1. How many possible? 5 possible out of 36. Okay. Sum 7, 6 possible out of 36. 6 by 36, 1 by 6. So here, probability of P, so probability of sum of 6 points, that is success, 5 by 36. If A failure, that means P complement. How much? 1 minus 5 by 36, that is 31 by 36. Next, second one, probability of success is 1 by 6, but failure is 5 by 6. That means this is A's game, this is B's game. Generally, we know that how they are playing starts with A. If A wins, close the game. If A not win, when you will get the chance? Third chance. A, B, A. Okay. Next, if both are failed means he will get A, B, A, B, next A, fifth time. These four members are failed means then he will get. So P plus A failed Q, B failed, that is also we can write Q, A success P plus A failed, B failed, A failed, B failed, A succeed, like this. But here Q different values are there. Q means this. This is Q actually. No need to write complement. Okay. Now P, probability of ace. How much? 5 by 36 plus Q means A complement. A complement means how much? 31 by 30. Next Q is that is second person, B complement, 5 by 6. Next P, first person, 5 by 36 plus, and so on. This is sum of infinite GP series. Apply the formula A by 1 minus R. Sum of infinite GP A by 1 minus R. What is A value? 5 by 36. R value, how much? 5 by 6 into 31 by 36. That is 31 by 36 into 5 by 6. This is the R value. Apply the formula. A by 1 minus R. 5 by 36 divided by 1 minus 31 by 36 into 5 by 6. Now 5 by 36 divided by denominator LCM is 36 into 6. 216 minus 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Here see that 36 cancel. 6 is going to numerator, that is 35. 216 minus 155, that value is 61. Students, here observe that Q means this Q, 31 by 36. This is B complement, second person failure. That value should be 5 by 6. Here A means first person, that is P. P means 5 by 36. Remember it here. But in the series I am written QP. P means success, Q means failure. Not all Q same. One Q is related to A, one Q is related to B. Yes or no? That's why remember it carefully how to apply the values. Okay. So finally we got 30 by 61. Sorry. 30 by 61. Which option correct, students? Third option. I think all of you understood. Till now who are not subscribed, subscribe the channel, like and share to your friends. Click on bell symbol, you'll get first notification. Thank you.